Hi everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies collaboration for February 2021. This is our second month this year, although this is a continuation from last year's collaboration. And this month our theme is friendship. Now we did hearts in January, we're doing friendship in February. So I chose a gorgeous girl again. I only did one card for this month. And my little girl this time is called number 3, the Pretend Friend. And this is her little foxy friend down here. So I thought that was adorable. And it's all about friendship. And by the way, her dress has tiny little hearts in it. Anyway, so it's suited for February. I did not go pink. I did go a little different. So last month I used Memories and More cards that are retiring. This month I used Memories and More cards that won't be available till January 5th. Now, by the time you're seeing this, it'll be February 1st and they should definitely be available, but they're not as of the time I'm recording this. So here it is. This is a Memories and More cards from the, I believe it's called Dandy Garden suite of products in the January to June 2021 Stampin' Up! Mini catalog. This ribbon, however, is retired now, and it was from the August to December mini from the Plaid Tiding suite. It's called Natural Open Weave Embroidered Ribbon 3/8 inch, and I didn't get to use much of that in 2020, so, and I thought it went well with this. This is actually in the background. Okay, so first of all, the envelopes look like this with all these dandelions, you know, the Make-A-Wish ones, the ones that are going to seed, right? That we cringe because they're going to be popping up in our yard. Unless you make dandelion salad, you cringe. They're pretty, but yeah. And here's the envelope flap, and then the card has all these yellow on white dandelions with the open weave, and I just thought that was adorable. And it went with this little girl because there's little, like, the dandelions sort of all around her as well. And I kind of stuck to their color scheme, which made sense to me because of these little dandelions flying around near her. But anyway, this card in the background is a 3x4 Memories and More card by Stampin' Up! And I have them here somewhere. Here they are. Dandy Garden Memories and More card pack. It's item 154302 if you're interested. And you get the larger ones and you get the smaller ones, 3x4 and I want to say 4x6, but I could be wrong on that. And then there's some sticker sheets and things in there too. All different ones. Some are just images. This is the one I used in the background. There was another cute one I almost used. This one here that says #blessed on it. Should use that from my blessing jar. And then the sentiment here is from Garden Wishes, Made with Love for a True Friend, which is part of that same suite of products. And then I also did use the largest one, I believe, for that 3x4 card, and the second one here for the Whisper White that she's on, or the basic white now that they sell. And they're from the Stitch So Sweetly dies in the annual catalog. Item code 15169 something. Anyway, look for Stitch So Sweetly dies. They're really nice scalloped rectangles. And so I just put them together, and then I popped that up on dimensionals. This is Bumblebee cardstock by Stampin' Up! From the 2020 to 2022 in colors. I stamped this in Cinnamon Cider ink, also by Stampin' Up! And then I used actually Daffodil Delight, Light and Dark, and Cinnamon Cider, and Ivory, and Soft Suede on the little fox. I believe this is light soft suede and dark Daffodil Delight on her little stockings. Light and dark petal pink on her face and arms. And then her hair is done in bronze, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And this is just put down with glue dots, which are also by Stampin' Up. And the embellishments are in the annual catalog. They're the in color, that's all I have left, and that doesn't go on there. The in color enamel dots, I just put 3 of the bumblebee color ones on. So that is my project for February 21's edition of the Lovely Ladies collaboration. As I mentioned, in January, I will mostly be using Gorgeous Girls, but others will be using other lovely ladies in their collab videos. So please be sure to check out all the links. There's not a huge crowd of us for this collab. Be sure to visit everyone and show them some crafty love as well. We certainly appreciate all your lovely comments, as well as thumbs ups, please, to help us get recognized on YouTube better. And by doing these collabs, some people have smaller channels, and we're trying to help them build their channels up as well. Mine is not humongous, but it's bigger than some. So definitely trying to help others too in building their channels. So yeah, please go visit them as well. I hope you enjoyed this. I had a lot of fun making this one, and all of them really. And I know I use Stampin' Up products a lot. That's what I know the most. I do use other products as well for this particular collab. Obviously with the Gorgeous Girls, that's not Stampin' Up, and it's by Santoro. That's the brand, and I just left it on, but these other products are Stampin' Up. So yeah, all right everyone, have a wonderful February, and we're gonna celebrate February because my daughter's birthday is real soon, very soon. So, and I won't give away her age. I probably told my closer friends before. Anyway, yeah, so it's a special month, the month of love, right? And Aquarians, if you're following astrology or whatever, for most of the month anyway. So it should be a good month. Still winter here though. I'm sure it's cold. I don't know. I'm recording this way in advance, so I don't know what February is like yet. We shall see. All right, everyone, have a wonderful month and day, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.